Hey, Randy here for Go Midwest Fishing. Thanks so much for watching. Today is January 16th and it's time for our annual ice fishing trip. This year we're going up to Lake Winnibigoshish for second year in a row now. It is currently -8, below zero, and about -23 wind chill. The ice has been very sketchy up there and we're about ready to have a huge winter storm hit, so stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this one. Alright, it's Thursday. We made it out here. It's 3 o'clock. We're going to hit the lake just a little bit offshore here to check it out.
We don't need to take that.
Not that bad of a walk.
No. And with their snowmobile trails now, they
Yeah.
just have to watch out for the water.
Yeah, it's just ice too. It's all honeycombed already, and it's not good.
I don't think we need the anchors.
First 6 inches of double ice.
We just got the one onto it? We got one. Let's grab it.
Yeah, you already caught one.
Yeah. We can drill another hole if we need to.
Are these all open?
Yeah. Do we have other minnows?
Yeah, I think.
One has shiners, one has. I'm marking fish. So
Yeah, these are
We have
tip
shiners.
up ones, right?
This your line you have on here is pretty tiny. One small perch in here. That's it so far. Oh, look at that monster.
Oh, we got one.
That's one that got earlier.
Yeah.
Nothing, Dennis? Like, hey, I got one, or pass the fireball, or
Hey, Barry, I had a couple flags.
really?
Yeah.
You should have called me. I would have fired up the snowmobile and drove out there.
I yelled.
Oh, we were probably talking.
No, I heard you.
Oh, Dennis got something.
Heavy.
What is it?
Craig, ain't gonna go on and push everybody out of the way?
Not until they ask for help. Walleye.
Walleye.
Ah,
Keep it.
who got that? Dennis.
In the fucking tail.
What?
We're gonna tell you what, you can sleep in here, I'll go to the quiet cabin. And I'll come back at 1 o'clock to plug in the breakfast and take over for you.
Oh. Wait.
Alright, it's Friday morning, day 2, heading out on the lake. Yesterday we got off about 6 o'clock. It was -15 degrees. It warmed up a little better. We did get about half dozen perch and 1 little walleye, so didn't do real great, but I'm gonna try it today. It's supposed to get windy and snow about 3 to 5 inches. So hopefully we're only fishing in portables because they're not letting the ice houses out on the lake right now. So hopefully they don't blow over. Nice one. Holy crap.
Pull that transducer out of there.
Yep.
Big, so, huh?
Oh. God. Did it snap? Or
Huh?
Did it break or did it let go?
I'm sure it broke.
Yep. Snapped her right off.
How's it going, fellas?
Going good so far.
Good.
Getting a.
Any size of those perch?
Oh, you just got another one.
Any size to it?
Yeah, maybe 8 inches.
You keep any yet?
No, right there is what we've been catching.
I already had one fish on this morning that took my line three different runs and finally broke the line. I don't think it was a northern. He thinks it was, but it was a fish. It wasn't a, you know what I mean? It was a good sized fish. It wasn't one of these.
Anything on the camera, or is it too
Well,
cloudy?
that's all we see.
No, I can see it. I'm seeing perch down there. That's all I'm seeing right now.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Did Bear tell you his plan?
No.
He was going to run out to that hump that we were kind of by yesterday.
Yeah.
And they were going to see how slushy and nasty it was. And then if it wasn't too bad, they were going to come back and then we were going to try the druck out there.
Yeah.
Punch some holes. If we catch anything, we can all move, or you guys can
Yeah,
move
let us know. We
wherever.
got our phones on us. Hey, they all seem to be about the same size, don't they? Ooh. Too quick. Hey. I'd drop it down to bottom, like touch bottom, then just bring it up a few inches and they'll just boom.
Yeah.
Ready. All right, put on this little guy, see if we can't get that northern to bite.
That was my smaller
So,
cast master.
there you go.
One that
Put
spoon.
that guy on.
Huh?
Said he's dead, but I can jiggle him around a little, see if that works. Oh, he sees it. He's coming over. Yep. Something big and obnoxious that I can whip around. He likes this show.
Like what?
He's liking the show. He's watching everywhere it goes. It's zipping back and forth. It really zips off to the side when you pull it, so it... Ooh, I touched him. Oh, there's a big one.
Yeah, we don't know what this is again.
Yeah, let's try that little guy that's been bugging us. Oh, broke it off again.
Yeah, same exact spot.
Yep. It's now 3 o'clock. We've just been hammering the perch all day long since we got here. It's just kind of been non-stop. Except a couple times the northern came through and scared all the perch away. And the northern really didn't want to bite. So Just had to wait for him to leave, and then we kept catching more perch. So it was supposed to start snowing earlier, but looks like it's kind of bypassing us. It's more to the south. It is supposed to start snowing soon, and I'm just starting to see some flakes now. So wind's kind of been windy all day. It's getting a little worse now, I think. So I think we're gonna probably get a few inches of snow here overnight. Go outside, take a look at what's going on. Yep, it's pretty much a whiteout. There we go. You can see something. There's the other guy's shack over there. We're perked right there. Yep, starting to snowfall. Visibility starting to come down. Off the lake at 4:46. And the snowstorm is hitting. I heard you see out the windshield.
Who would like, would you help put some plates out? Who would like a potato? Everyone wants potatoes?
I like potatoes.
You want me to throw some plates around?
There we go. Well, why don't you just dish and we'll start passing.
No, I got a dish of meat too, so.
He's just trying to.
this is a
I eat
step
one at a
process.
time, so if you want to hand me a potato and a knife, I'm good.
Well, there.
What if you had two?
I eat one thing at a time.
So
What
you
about
I will
cake?
eat the potato, then I will eat the corn,
Okay.
then I will eat the meat.
Are you okay with 2 potatoes?
Oh, you
Place-
want
how many
3 or
plates do
4?
I got out?
Don't matter.
Count?
Dennis,
1,
don't
2,
make me
3, 4,
have you
5.
go outside, turn that
Dennis,
frown
that's
upside
6.
down.
What the fuck?
Make it rain.
Is that how you do it?
You get one of those machines with the,
act
with
like
the
you
trigger.
don't know. Your guys' safety meetings, like you guys never done that.
Canada.
You're right. Ah, this was fair 20. Ah, expensive.
Alright, Saturday morning. It's still snowing a little bit. As you can see, we got quite a bit last night. So we're just eating breakfast now. We're gonna see. Hopefully the roads are plowed on the lake. Get out as far as we can. And Barry's cooking breakfast again. He's the breakfast guy. Alright, it's just after 10. We're gonna try to tempt the lake. Everyone's digging their trucks out. They got snowmobiles out there looking for a spot to fish. We're gonna go follow them out. Here comes Marcus. These guys are throwing their chains on so we can get on the lake. Go follow them out there. Alright, first one on.
How big a fish are we keeping?
Huh?
How big a fish are we keeping? 10 and above? So this 7 goes back, huh?
Oh, yeah, same size as yesterday.
Barry's watching a video of his kid wrestling.
Oh, so you don't want to go get lunch yet?
Yeah,
Is it-
we're on our way.
Yeah.
We'll go get some soup.
Alright, just leave everything out here pretty much?
Yeah.
I think so.
So we're thinking.
Wayne says he's gonna stay out here.
Why?
Alright, Wayne just caught a big northern. Here. It's the only way I'm gonna get video with this.
Let's see that again, Wayne.
Show him again.
Randy needs to see
here.
your fish for the
Yeah.
video.
It's the only big fish we caught.
Well,
Well, yesterday they boys caught
We had two big nice ones.
Are they?
Yeah.
That size?
He's busy. He's getting the hook out.
20, what was it, 25 and 25 and a half?
Oh, okay.
How'd you land it, Wayne, without me there? We got tired and lifted up.
I was getting scared. I didn't have Craig to land my fish.
Yeah.
Pushing you out of the way.
I got a lipper in that black box.
Better watch out, darn, he's gonna come drill a hole right next to you.
Here, hold it up.
My hands are cold.
Turn on your pants.
You think your hands are cold? You see how cold we are.
There it is. Not bad. Okay, that's better.
That might be over 26, Wayne.
I don't know.
He's holding it out far.
Woo, she's whiteout conditions. You just having fun?
Want to take it for a rip?
Yeah, I do. Oh! I caught a walleye! I caught a walleye.
We got walleyes!
Yeah!
3.5 inches.
No, it's more like 6. Where's your tape measure? Whoa!
Almost
6.5. Pinch the tail. Let's see. Do this. 6 3/4. Nice. Well, I can say I caught one.
I think so.
Draw your face
I have to know what propaganda.
Oh, gimme.
Shoot it.
Nobody would just vote it down.
Nice job, though.
Long things. There's 51 of them.
Oh, look at that.
One shot, one
kill.
other 40.
Alright, Sunday morning we're heading home. We just end up with a lot of perch, a couple baby walleyes, and like 3 or 4 northern, something like that. But we had a good time, so we'll do it again next year.